friends and welcome back to the channel. So today's video is a shopping haul and today I am going to a mall which is called Pacific Werribee. This is situated in western side of Melbourne. So let's go and start shopping here. So this is the mall entry and at the entry there are some banks here, and while going through this entry passage, after this it comes the food court. So like food court is a very important place, yeah, because after shopping everybody gets hungry and then they need to eat something. But first thing come first, I have to go and wash my hands. So let me go and wash my hands first. So here they have installed this new technology taps. You can see that this is from Dyson, and this has tap as well as a hand dryer included in the tap itself, so that you don't have to separately dry your hands. And then here this come a vanity bar, so in case you forgot anything important like a lip balm and perfume, you can take it out from a coin here. Hi friends and welcome back to the channel. Today I have come for a shopping haul to Pacific Werribee shopping mall. So let's start our today's video, and first I am going to go to Colette, and Colette is an accessory, a handbag shop here, and I love their stuff. So let's start our shopping haul with Colette first. So guys, this store has a huge collection of handbags. It has a huge collection of accessories, so you can find any type of handbags, big or small or clutch bags here. So mostly I buy my handbags from here only, and they are very reasonable priced also. So if you are new here and you are looking for some shop to buy some accessories or some handbags, you can come and have a look at Colette. They have their shops in all the big malls and in the city also. So you can see that this beautiful party wear clutch collection they are having. And then moving on to the accessories section, they have a wide variety of imitation jewelry, hairband, hair clutchers. So after this I just went to H&M, although their stock I don't like that much, but I just thought to casually browse a little, that in case I find something nice, some dress or top. I was just looking to buy some top, but I just had a quick glance at it, and mostly they have very casual wear stuff. So it's good for buying casual clothing, for buying jackets. So after this I went to the dresses section. A few were there, but I didn't like anything here much, so I just went ahead to the another store after this. So this is one more store, Forever New, but right now I'm not going there because I am running a little bit short on the time. So I'm going to Portman's, and from here I have to buy some tops. So this is what I am just going to try now, because the fitting suits me well. So most of the time for the tops I go to this store only. So I'm in the trial room and now just going to try a few stuff here, and then finally I ended up buying one top from here. And this is just a store glimpse. You can look at the type of stock they are having. So after that I thought to just explore and go to Pandora, and you can see that they have beautiful floral designs here. So I thought that let me buy something from here for myself today. And yes, I bought a ring from here, and I will of course share with you the unboxing video soon. So this is their rings collection. You can see, just ignore the lighting flash, because अच्छे से जो वीडियो है वो यहाँ पे नहीं कैप्चर हो पा रही थी because of all the lighting here. So this is their collection. So Pandora is a very famous store in Australia for their accessories. They sell accessories in gold, in silver, and some are rhodium based. Mostly it is like rhodium based they will be having with a gold polish on it. So then I went to Body Shop. I had to buy some perfume from here. So they have lovely fragrances, बहुत ही अच्छी natural जो plant based fragrances हैं वो रहती हैं इनकी. So their this perfumes they have this cherry blossom and Indian night jasmine. It is very very good fragrance. So मुझे ये लेने थे यहाँ से. So I just came here. So after all the shopping, I just came to the center of the mall to sit. और आप देख सकते हैं कि ऊपर जो है वो कितना beautifully ये paper lamps लगे हुए हैं. And then this is the florist shop here. तो अभी morning का time था तो fresh flowers जो हैं वो आए थे. And all the flowers were looking so beautiful. I was thinking कि मैं कुछ flower लेके जाऊँ, but then I just couldn't select it. And you can just have a view of this beautiful flowers along with me. So guys, अभी यहाँ घूमते घूमते 12:30 बज गए हैं और थोड़ी सी भूख भी लग रही है. सो आई एम थिंकिंग कि आज ट्यूसडे है तो मैं क्या खाऊं, क्योंकि आज सिर्फ वेजिटेरियन ही हम लोग खाते हैं. एंड अभी ऑलमोस्ट मैंने काफ़ी सारी शॉपिंग कर ली है, बस कुछ टी शर्ट्स लेनी थी. सो ऑफ कोर्स तो कोई भी शॉपिंग हॉल के मार्ट चाय पीना तो पूरा नहीं होता. तो अभी आई एम जस्ट सिटिंग आउटसाइड के मार्ट. तो अभी बस मैं के मार्ट ही जाने वाली हूँ. एंड फ्लावर्स आई वॉज प्लानिंग टू बाय, बट मुझे कैरी करके लेके जाना है. आई हैव टू टेक अ बस फ्रॉम हेयर. तो वही मैं सोच रही हूँ कि लूँ कि नहीं लूँ, क्योंकि बाहर अभी काफ़ी सनी भी हो गया एंड सामान के साथ ले जाना शायद मुश्किल रहे. सो आई डोंट नो. तो चलिए मॉल के अंदर तो मैं बहुत ज़्यादा बात नहीं करूँगी, पीछे म्यूज़िक भी चल रहा है. एंड समटाइम इट हैपन्स कि अगर म्यूज़िक जो है वो वीडियो में नोट हो जाता है तो कई बारी कॉपीराइट स्ट्राइक भी आ जाता है. सो दैट्स वाई चलिए के मार्ट की तरफ चलते हैं. लेट्स सी द डेली वियर टी शर्ट्स देयर. सो दिस इज़ के मार्ट पैसिफिक वेरीबी. I am telling again because many people comment on the video that which Kmart you are going to, because they just want some stock from there. So let's go and see some t-shirts. So guys, this Kmart is very very big in size compared to the one nearby the normal shopping normal suburbs here. सो दिस इज़ द टॉप सेक्शन. यहाँ पे मेरे को कुछ घर पे पहनने वाली टॉप्स लेनी थी के मार्ट से. सो आई सिलेक्टेड 3 or 4 ऑफ देम. ऑफ कोर्स आई विल शेयर ऑल दिस शॉपिंग इन माई अपकमिंग वीडियो विद यू. सो दैट्स इट फॉर टुडे. बस आई डिड माई शॉपिंग एंड देन आई वेंट बैक होम. एंड फिर मिलेंगे एक न्यू वीडियो के साथ. आई होप ये शॉपिंग वीलॉग आपको पसंद आया होगा. एंड डू सब्सक्राइब टू द चैनल. थैंक यू सो मच फॉर वॉचिंग. बाय बाय.